Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming core prerequisites, Directx and GPU drivers. Open DXdiag to check Directx. If it's below Directx 11, update the runtime now. Next, update your graphics drivers using the manufacturer's installer. This removes incompatibilities. Once done, run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano to repair corrupt system files that can cause Directx failures. These steps eliminate the common root causes, so the game can access required Directx functions cleanly. Now modify both game and OS settings to ensure Directx calls succeed. In FIFA configuration, force Directx 11 if the launcher offers the option. Otherwise, edit the config file to set Directx 11 mode. Then, right-click FIFA. EXE, disable full-screen optimizations, and select Run as administrator so permission issues don't block Directx. Also disable overlays from Origin, Steam, Discord, and GPU software, because overlays can intercept graphics calls. These changes reduce conflicts and let Directx execute expected functions reliably. Finish by repairing core libraries and isolating the fault. Use programs and features to repair or reinstall Visual C++ redistributables, and run the Directx enduser runtime installer to restore missing DLLs. If the error persists, temporarily switch to the integrated GPU or roll back drivers to a previously stable version to narrow whether it's driver-related. Make sure to inspect Windows Event Viewer and FIFA crash logs for specific Directx function names. This points to precise files to replace or settings to tweak. If needed, try a clean game reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.